In this video, we are going to look at how to create points in alignment geometry. Alignment geometry means the edges of a straight or edges of the curve, center point of the curve. I mean the center of a arc like that. So to do that, go to Home tab, Points, Alignments, at alignment geometry. So we have to do a small trick here. So in this toolbar, go to this icon, expand the create point dialog. So here at the point creation, make this adiation automatic, and then for descriptions automatic. Otherwise, it will ask every point about the elevation and description when it is creating. So after that, now I select my alignment as it is saying in the command line. I select the alignment. So it is asking what is the starting station. You need the geometry point. So I am starting from my start point of the alignment, and second point means your end point. If you need some other point, you can select that one. Otherwise, you can select the end point and press enter. So you can see at every geometry point you will have a point. So I'll press escape. Now you can see at the start of the alignment, end of this straight section, the middle of the straight section, and middle of the this pi point, and also at the center of this arc. Likewise, you can see every time, every location you have the points. So if you do not need points like this thing and this thing, you can delete them manually. Otherwise, you can keep them. So that is how to create points at alignment geometry points in Civil 3D.